Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be covering the benefits of converting your data into a table in Excel. First of all, let's understand the benefits of converting your data into a table. It's easy to format. You can use aggregations such as sum, average, maximum, minimum, etc. very easily. You can insert sliders to filter your data. Auto range will update the ranges in any formula that you might have used or you have referenced it to the table. Formulas would be replicated on all the rows of the table. If you add any new data, it will add it to the range and make it part of the table. You'll see the above benefits as we progress through the video. Before moving ahead, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. So let's start. As you can see in my Excel sheet, I've already created a data, but it is very in a raw format. You can see it's all coming, it's in the normal Excel rows and there is no formatting as such. So let's go ahead and convert this into a table. So how do I do that? Click anywhere in between the table and click format as table in your home ribbon. And you will see there are some predefined templates already saved here for us. So let's just select a table that you would like. For in this instance, I like this one, blue one, and let's click this. It has identified the range which needs to be converted into a table, and it has already pre-populated it for me. Now my table has headers that is also selected for me, and I'll go ahead and click OK. So now you can see this Excel has created this as a table, or converted it into a table, and it is now looking much more nice than before. So there you go. You can see that it is very easy to format, and you already once you click anywhere in this table, a new ribbon will be added called table, and it will give you some more options. You can also go ahead and change the template, like you can select any other template you want to use. Say you want to convert it into gray, or you can convert it into orange, so that you can do anytime. So let's stick to the blue one for the time being. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can also add on some aggregations to it, like if you want to calculate the total of the marks that I have given over here, or you want to see what is the maximum or the minimum, or you can also calculate the average of these marks. So what you need to do is click anywhere in the table, go to the table ribbon and show total rows. So this will give you insert another row below your data, and if you select any row where you want to insert that aggregation, select the last row or cell, and you'll see a drop down menu coming. Click this and you'll get a lot of options that you can use. So depending upon what you want to see, you can select average and it will calculate the average for you of the above cells. You can select count and it will give you the count. You can select maximum, it will give you the maximum of all these values, and for the same it will be done for the minimum as well. And if you want to show a sum, you can click sum as well. Now if you don't want to show this row like all the time, you can toggle it on and off from here. So that's pretty much easy that you can do with the table. What else you can also do that it auto recognizes any data that you're entering. So say if you enter any data at the bottom, like type 12, give it GIU, I'll give it a 45. So you can see that now it has converted that row into this table as well. That means it has added it to its range. Now you can again click total row and it will now update this over here. You can again see the count has also increased to 12 from 11. can deselect. So, but do remember, whenever you want to add on any data, remember to toggle this off, and after that, otherwise it will not consider your data as part of the read. So the next thing that we can also do with this is we can apply some slicers so that it will be easier to do any filters on this. So for that, again, select anywhere in between the table, go to table row ribbon and click insert slicer. Here it will ask you like what you want to apply the filter on. So for me, I'll go ahead and I'll apply the filter to class and pass fail and click OK. So as you can see, it has already created two slices for me, and these are very free form. You can move it anywhere as per your design need. The reason you're not seeing any pass fail over here is that I have not inserted anything, any values over here. So that's why you're not able to see that, but we will come to that on the next point. So one more benefit that I had told you about using a table is that it replicates any formulas to all the rows automatically. You don't have to manually do them. So for example, if I want to insert a formula over here, say the mark is greater than 30, this will be pass, otherwise we fail. For those who does not know how to use a if statement, we will create a video for that separately, but for now let's just focus on the table functionality. So as you can see, it has now auto populated those rows, and you can see all the results that is coming in, and this same has been also updated in your slicer. Now depending upon how you want to see the data, you can straight away click pass and it will filter the data for pass. If you click fail, it will filter the data for fail, and you can also put on extra filters. And if you want to deselect any filters, just click this and it will remove all the filters. So you can see using a table is very easy, and it is recommended for doing that if you are handling a lot of data. For small data, I would still not you can go ahead and use your normal Excel functionalities, but if you have a large data, so it is very handy and useful and easy to use. So before moving ahead, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and also I hope that you have learned something new over here. We'll be posting such videos here from time to time, and if you want me to cover any specific topic, you can mention that in the comment section and we'll see like if we can create a video on that as well or not. For the time being, thank you very much and see you soon.